Don't touch me.
Are you all right?
Don't touch me. I'm all right. I'll be okay. Just get in the car.
But we don't have the keys for that car. That's
I don't care. Get in the car. I'll hotwire it.
The keys are in the car.
Give me those keys. Nicole, you see that truck?
Yeah?
Get in it. Hurry up.
Oh.